it's Daizshanae Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing another holiday look. Last week I did a candy cane and today we are going to do a snowflake. I am super excited to try this out because I haven't done like a creative look in a minute and I'm just like rolling with the creativity right now. So let's get started. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to be doing is my eyebrows. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade number 5. Okay, to clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I just really clean up the under eyes. So taking Fawn again, I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow primer. I've always used concealer as my primer instead of actual primer. I don't know, it works for me and I don't really see fixing something that is not broke. I'm going to be using the Norvina ABH palette and it's the blue version. I don't know which volume it is, but I'm going to start with B5. It is this bright blue right here. That's going to be the base, but I'm going to remove it. So like it's the base for the outer corner of my shadow, but then I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to do like a cut crease. Now I'm going to be taking B4 and C4 and like trying to mix those together so then I can get a deeper cut crease, and then we're probably going to end up using D5 for the outer corner. Alright, now I'm going to be taking my micellar water and cleaning up my cut crease, and I take it to Q-tip and I'm going to like rub it into like form it into a point. Oh, I should just go get the pointed Q-tips. I forgot that they make those. Now I'm going back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I am going in with the shade Pure Beige. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand so then it's not like thick concealer, because I'm going to put glitter on top of this. And then I'm going to go in and clean up more of this cut crease, and we're going to start with the glitter. So now I'm going to be taking A5 and also D1 to start doing a halo effect with my glitters. Let's hope it turns out the way that I want it to. Okay, so this is what the eyes are starting to look like. I am going to start on my foundation, but I kind of just want to speed run it. It's the exact same thing that I did in my last 2 videos if you would like to check those out. And yeah, let's just get into the foundation. Going back into this Norvina palette, I'm going to be taking shade D5 and I'm going to smoke out my under eye. Then I'm also going to take shade D1 and I'm going to put that in the corners of my eyes. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild kohl eyeliner and I'm going to do it on my tight line, waterline, whatever it's called, and that's gonna connect the dark blue so it's not like you just threw some blue eyeshadow on there. One thing I like to do as well, I take a sponge instead of using my finger because I feel like my the oils on my fingers mess up my foundation, so I take a sponge to hold my eyes open. Okay, so I'm about to do my lashes. I'm gonna first go in with the Lancome Idol lash, and then I'm gonna go in with my lashes. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Epic Wear liquid liner, and it's in white, and I'm gonna draw a snowflake. It's just gonna be like 5 snowflakes, so like 1, 2, straight out, 1, 2, and then I'll do like miniature ones on this side. Okay, I'm gonna add some more glitter. I'm gonna go back into that Moondust palette, and in the shade Stargirl, Star Cowgirl again. I'm just gonna touch that up, and then add some more sparkles onto here. Yay! We did it, we got snowflakes on my face. Okay, wait. Now I have to go and do lips real quick. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna take the Clinique, I don't know what this is. They sent it to me. I never actually heard of it, but I'm obsessed. It's the Clinique something. I'll look it up and put it on the screen. And it's just so, it's glossy, but it also has a tint to it. Wow. Wow, it actually came to an end, finally. Wow. Wow, look at me. I'm learning new skills. Okay. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look. It's so cute. I've never done anything like this. I've always been so envious, but like, I just had to do it. So I hope this like inspired you to do a creative look sometime this week. But yeah. Have a great holiday.